After 2 world wars, after millions of lives lost, after cities reduced to ashes, humanity faced a question. Can we stop destroying ourselves? In 1945, as World War II ended, leaders from around the world gathered in San Francisco. Their mission was ambitious. Not to win a war, but to prevent the next one. And from that gathering, a new global institution was born, the United Nations. This was not the first attempt at global peace. After World War I, the League of Nations was created, but it lacked power. And when aggression rose in the 1930s, it failed to stop it. World War II proved something painful. Good intentions are not enough. Peace requires structure, cooperation, and accountability. On October 24, 1945, the United Nations officially came into existence. 51 countries signed the UN Charter. They promised to maintain international peace and security, to promote human rights, to encourage cooperation between nations, to prevent future global conflict. The UN created a Security Council, a General Assembly, international courts, peacekeeping missions. For the first time in history, the majority of the world agreed to sit at one table. Since 1945, the United Nations has helped prevent direct war between major powers, delivered humanitarian aid to millions, established global human rights standards, mediated conflicts across continents. It is not perfect. It faces criticism. It struggles with politics, but it remains a symbol of something rare. Global dialogue instead of global destruction. This moment teaches us: 1. Humanity can learn from tragedy. The worst war in history led to one of the greatest peace efforts. 2. Cooperation is stronger than isolation. Nations may disagree, but communication prevents catastrophe. 3. Peace is not automatic. It must be built, protected, negotiated. Every generation must choose it again. The creation of the United Nations reminds us, after destruction, rebuilding is possible. After division, unity is possible. History is not only shaped by wars. Sometimes, it is shaped by the courage to imagine peace, and the willingness to work for it.